In the Backyard, sponsored by Custom Retaining Walls and Landscaping.
Hi, this is Katie with Custom Retaining Walls, and today we're talking about vegetable gardening. Vegetable gardening is very rewarding. Usually you want to start putting your plants out after May 15th as the danger of frost is gone. Start small. Only pick vegetables that you know you and your family will eat. Choose 3 to 5 of your favorite vegetables and buy 3 to 5 plants of each kind. First, you want to till up your soil of your garden. Use a garden tiller. This will help fluff up the dirt and break up any clumps and weed roots that are existing in your soil. Tall vegetables like corn and pole beans should be planted on the north side of your garden. These plants, when you put them on the north side of the garden, will prevent any shade from happening to your smaller plants. There are many different kinds of vegetables. First, start out with our cool season vegetables like cabbage and broccoli. These plants can either be planted in the early spring or early fall, and they take a very short time to mature. Other plants like tomatoes and peppers take longer to mature. When you are done planting your garden, make sure you fertilize with a slow release fertilizer like Osmocote. This will give nutrients to your vegetables all season long. Consider mulching your vegetables with a grass clippings or other organic material, as this will hold nutrients and moisture in the garden. You'll want to water your garden in the morning. Do not water in the late afternoon do not water the leaves of the plants. This creates disease. Once again, this is Katie with Custom Retaining Walls, and we'll see you next week in the backyard.